Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So this video is going to be a little review demo, first impressions of the new Shayla collab with Colourpop, or I like to call her Shayla. So this palette is called Perception. I think that's like her whole line or the whole collab. So the items in the collab are a palette, and here is what it looks like. It's called Perception, and here's the inside of it. It's very, very pretty. I like how there's a little bit of color in it. It's not too neutral. There are two loose highlighters. This one's Pose, this one's a little bit darker. And this one over here is Boomin. This one's a little bit lighter. I might be able to use this one. I don't know if I will be able to pull off these highlighters. It might be a little bit dark for me. But I definitely will try Boomin, see if that works out. And then there are three lipsticks. Here is the first one. And this one is called Come On Sis. The next one is called Ow, I believe. You. And this one right here is called Quickie. And I'm not rolling these up all the way. By the way, this is how much product is in the tube. And the last thing in the collection is this glossy lip, the ultra glossy lip. And this is called Neat Freak. It's sort of like a bronzy gloss with a little bit of like a gold shimmer in it. Alright, so I'm going to go in with this highlighter called Boomin and see if it will work for my skin tone. It does look a little bit dark, so I'm hoping it does not leave a cast. I'm just going to go with a little bit just to see because I don't want to leave a cast. So I'm going to take a little bit on my brush just like this. Maybe top off a little bit of it. And go in. Yeah, do you see the cast? Whoop! Psych! Alright, we can't use that, which is fine. I'm just going to go ahead and kind of use my Beauty Blender. Kind of get rid of that. So actually I'm just going to go ahead with this highlighter by Jouer. This is called Citrine. I'm just going to do this real quick. I guess I'll show y'all since I don't have it done yet. Alright, so the first shade I'm going to go in with is Culture right here. And this is going to be my transition shade. So I'm going to just pop that into the crease with a fluffy blending brush. And by the way, I did put on foundation, like prime my eyes with foundation, and then put on a powder to set that. Oh wow, this is really pigmented. Alright, so next I'm going to go ahead with the shade Played Out. I'm going to use a really thin blending brush. I do want to do a middle cut crease, so I want this to be really focused and concentrated right into my crease. I don't want it to get too crazy. So I'm going to go ahead and just pop it right here. I'm also blending this and applying it with a very, very light hand. I'm barely applying any pressure to my eye. Alright, so I'm doing a middle cut crease. So I'm going to go ahead and put some liquid concealer on my brush. And I'm going to go ahead and put it right in the center of my eyelid. Alright, so now I'm going to go in with the shade IE. I'm going to take that shade and I'm going to put that right into the center of the cut crease. Alright, so I'm going to go back in with Played Out, and I'm going to go ahead and put that on the inner and outer corner, kind of fill in those light areas. Alright, so I'm going to take this Urban Decay Heavy Metals liner, and this is in shade Midnight Cowboy. I'm going to run that along the cut crease, just to kind of help define it and add a little of a pop. Alright, so I thought that was going to be a little bit more gold, but it looks very silver. So I'm going to go ahead with this liner by NYX. This is the liquid crystal liner, and this is in crystal gold. I'm going to go ahead and just put this over top and see if that makes it a little bit more warm. Let's see how that looks. Alright, now I'm going to grab the shade Unbothered. This is a shimmery shade. It looks kind of white in the pan, like on camera, but it's a golden shimmer. So I'm going to pop that into the inner corner. And I'm going to put that right on the brow bone just a little bit. Alright, now I'm going to take this liner by NYX. This is Lip of the Day. Actually, it's a lip liner, but it's basically eyeliner. And this is in shade Gem. And here's what it looks like. It's basically just like a liner, so I'm gonna go ahead and do a wing with this. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and take that brown shade and run it underneath my lower lash line. And I'm gonna do that just in the outer and inner corner, because I'm gonna do a little halo down here as well. Alright, so for eyeliner inside of the waterline, I'm going to take this eyeliner pencil by MAC. And what is this? This is the Padma collab with MAC. And this is in Mossy Green. So I'm going to run that into the waterline and keep the center right here blank. Alright, and now to finish off, I'm going to use this eyeliner by Quickie. This is Gilded Gold. And I'm going to pop that right into the center. It's going to bring a nice highlight. Guess. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and pop on lashes, mascara, finish the other eye, and I will be right back. Alright guys, so the eyes are finished, and I'm literally so freaking obsessed with these eyes. Oh my god. I haven't done an eye like this in a long time. Like a colored liner or like a metallic liner. I love a metallic liner against like a matte eye. It just looks so pretty. So pretty, so pretty, so pretty. So I hope you guys like the eyes. Alright, so let's go ahead and move on to the lips. This is the last step. And I'm sure y'all are going to be shocked that I'm using a nude. A warm tone nude. I used to not ever do nudes. Like, I used to do gold lips a lot. But I just feel like a nude is just, it's so pretty. It's so, like, striking. It's not striking because it's very subtle. But it's, like, very just, like, it's very pretty. You know what I'm saying? But this is the best lip color that goes with this look out of this collection. So I'm going to go ahead and use this one. This is Quickie. And let's go ahead and pop this hoe on. I've actually never used Colourpop's lipstick for me, like actual stick. But I really like, these are so freaking talented, you guys. Alright, so last thing I'm going to put on this gloss, the Ultra Glossy Lip. And go ahead and pull up part one. Alright guys, so here's the finished look. Just to finish off this look, I'm going to take this Cover FX Illuminating Setting Spray and spray my face because I want a little more of a glow. Alright guys, so here's the finished look. I hope you guys like this. I am literally obsessed with this. I haven't played with greens in a long time, especially like greens and bronze together. I feel like they're so good together. So freaking pretty. And my audio did not record. Again. No, this video did that. Alright, well this is going to be bad audio. Sorry guys. Alright, so yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this look. Hope you don't mind the audio either, because I just realized that it's going to be a little gross. But yeah, leave your guys' feedback down below. If you guys have tried this collection, let me know if you guys like it. I really like this palette. I really like this palette. These colors are super pigmented. They just blend so well. Honestly, Colourpop's eyeshadows, their pressed eyeshadows, are some of the best eyeshadows I've ever used. They're literally some of my favorites. So I'm just like really happy with this look, and I'm really happy with this palette. The lips, super hydrating. These are like a satin, so they're very like hydrating. The gloss feels good. Everything just, I love it. I love it. I couldn't use the highlighters, but that's okay. They're just a little bit dark for me and they left a cast, as you guys seen. But other than that, I would totally recommend this collection or anything in this collection. for sure because it's really pretty. And this palette is nice because it has a little bit of color in it, and it also has your neutrals. So if you want to kind of experiment a little more with color, I think this would be a good one because there is like a pop of color, but also your neutrals and your staples. Alright guys, so thank you so much for watching. This is the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed it. And I hope to see you in my next video. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Deuces.